Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert text into table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and we present the print preview option, and we can see here the preview page available the text but not table. Now we want to convert this text to table. Go back the page, then select the whole text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the table design menu and click the pen white drop down menu, choose 3pt, then click line color and you can use any color. Now I select this black color, then click the borders drop down menu and choose all borders, then click outside of the table, and we can see we convert text into table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.